Do you want to expand your succulent collections but you have very limited budget? Instead of purchasing new plants, you can create more from the ones you already have, saving money on buying mature specimens. Propagating your own succulents can be a rewarding and beneficial endeavor for several reasons: cost savings, learning experience, customization, sustainable gardening, gifts and sharing, propagation as therapy, experimentation and hybridization, continuous supply of plants, enhancing indoor spaces, community engagement, and the list goes on and on. Whether you're a seasoned succulent enthusiast or just starting your succulent journey, propagating succulent is a fun and rewarding way to expand your collection. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of propagating succulents so you can grow your own beautiful plants. Welcome to our Succulent Propagation Guide. Before we get our hands dirty, let's understand the basics of succulent propagation. Succulents can be propagated through various methods including leaf cuttings, stem cuttings, offsets, and seeds. Today, we will focus on leaf and stem cuttings, which are the most common methods. Gather your materials including sharp scissors or pruning shears, well-draining soil, small pots or containers, and spray bottle. Leaf propagation is a popular method of growing succulents from a single leaf. Here's how to do it. Select healthy leaves. Choose healthy leaves from your mature succulent. Gently twist or cut the leaves from the stem, ensuring you get a clean break. This is what it looks like. Let leaves callus. Place the leaves in a dry and shaded area away from direct sunlight for a few days to allow them to callus. This is to prevent rotting when you plant them. Windowsill is one of the good places to temporarily house these leaves, or if you have a greenhouse, it is also a good idea. Plant in soil. After a few days, it usually takes around 1 to 2 days, plant the callus end of the leaf into well-draining soil, burying it about half an inch deep. Water lightly. You may use the squeeze bottle to water it lightly. Provide proper care. Place the pot in bright, indirect sunlight and water sparingly. Ensure that the soil is well draining. Overwatering can lead to rot, so be cautious. It is crucial not to keep the soil constantly wet during this phase. Another great way to create new succulent plants is stem propagation. Here's how to do it. Choose healthy stem cuttings. Select a healthy, non-flowering stem from your succulent. Here from my front yard garden, I am going to cut one of my aeonium plants. Use clean shears to cut the stem just below a leaf node like this. Let the cutting dry. Allow the cut end to dry and callus for a few days to reduce the risk of rot. I usually leave them in an empty container. Plant in soil. Plant the dried stem cutting into well-draining soil, burying the cut end about an inch deep like so. Care and maintenance. Place the pot in indirect sunlight and water sparingly. Again, greenhouse or shaded area under the trees is an ideal location. As the new plant establish roots, you can gradually increase watering. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive guide to propagate succulents. Whether you're starting from a single leaf or a stem cutting, with patience and proper care, you will soon have a thriving collection of unique succulent plants. Thank you for joining us on this succulent propagation journey, and happy growing!